So we're gonna do a little everyday carry, what Benchmade's in your pocket video series today. So when we first started with Benchmade, we did the Benchmade University training. I decided to go with the 940 and I did the -1. This is the carbon fiber with the S90V steel in it with all the blue hardware. So I carried this for about 9 months exclusively. It was the only folding knife in my pocket. Absolutely love this steel. This is the biggest folding knife I've carried in lots of years, so I was kind of hesitant about that, but it just disappears in your pocket. Absolutely love it. Still carry it. You can see it. I moved the clip over, so this goes in my left pocket now because I have a Benchmade in both pockets at this point. So this is my left-handed one, and I'm getting used to opening it with my left hand. When I had the opportunity to get my second knife, I got a mini Griptilian, and I did the customized form, and I got the 20 CV. One of the things you'll learn about me is I absolutely love M390, and CPM 20 CV is CPM's version or Crucible's version of M390. I also like the satin deep carry pocket clips. I tried the mini deep carry on this one, and it took me a long time to get used to. I like the feel of this one better. One of those things I just learned by customizing them. And so honestly, I liked this knife so much, when I went to get another one, I got another one. I did this one in different colors because I have a tendency of dropping my knives, and a dark knife like this in the woods, I'm not gonna find. This one I can find. So blue on one side, green on the other, just one of those cool things you can do on Benchmade's website. Also 20 CV, and I got the black coating on this one. All the hardware is blacked out except for the pocket clip because I do like the shiny satin of that pocket clip. So these are my 3 everyday carries. It's 2 mini Griptilians and 1 Osborne 940. Don't worry, I will be buying another one at some point in the future. It's just what I do, and I'll probably make a video about that one too. Have a great day and enjoy your knives.